Welcome to the zoological world. Today we will discuss about blue whale. Blue whale anatomy and appearance. The blue whale has an enormously long body that is slim and narrow, which means that they are able to cut through the water with ease. Blue whales are the biggest whales living today. Their hairless skin is smooth and grayish-blue in color with a lighter underside and a series of pleats on their throats which allows it to expand to more than 4 times its normal size when the blue whale is feeding. The large tail of the blue whale is straight and splits into 2 rubbery flukes at the end and helps to propel their massive bodies through the water. Blue whales belong to the baleen whales group, which means that instead of having teeth, there are up to 395 hard and bristle-like baleen plates that hang from the upper jaw and are used to filter food out of the water. Like their relatives, blue whales also have 2 blowholes on the top of their large heads which are used to expel stale air and seawater from their lungs when the blue whale surfaces to breathe. Blue whale distribution and habitat. Blue whales are found in both polar and tropical waters worldwide, migrating between the two at different times of year. In the summer months, blue whales are found in the cold waters of the Arctic and the Antarctic, depending on the subspecies, where they feed on the abundant amount food, before moving towards warmer, less rich waters for the winter when they breed. The migratory patterns of blue whales are generally less well understood than other baleen whales. For example, their migratory patterns such more variation than other whales such as humpbacks and gray whales. Sometimes, it appears blue whales will even skip migration and remain residents of a more narrow geographic area. Although the 3 blue whale subspecies do differ slightly in size and coloration, the main difference between them is where they live, with northern blue whales and southern blue whales never meeting one another. Northern blue whales tend to inhabit the rich, vast waters of the North Atlantic and North Pacific Oceans, where southern blue whales are found on the other side of the equator in the southern hemisphere. Although pygmy blue whales are also found in the south, they tend to prefer the southern Indian Ocean along with the South Pacific. Blue whale behavior and lifestyle. With the exception of females with their young, blue whales are solitary animals that are known to occasionally gather in loose groups to feed. These enormous animals use a variety of sounds, known as songs, including hums, squeaks and rumbles to communicate between one another, particularly during the breeding season in winter. In order to ensure that their voices are heard, the noises blue whales make are incredibly loud, and having been recorded at volumes greater than 180 decibels, they are known to produce the loudest sound of any creature on the planet. The blue whale has very small fins and flippers, so relies on its enormous tail to help it to plow through the ocean. Blue whales also uses their tails to make deep dives, as by bringing it above the surface of the water, they are able to get enough power to travel up to 200 meters steeply down into the sea. Blue whale reproduction and life cycles. Blue whales breed in the warmer, tropical waters during the winter or early spring, when after a gestation period that lasts for nearly a year, the female blue whale gives birth to a single calf on her return to the region the following year. After spending all summer feeding in the cold, rich waters at the poles, female blue whales eat almost nothing whilst they are nursing their young. Newborn blue whales already measure 7 meters in length and weigh around 2.5 tons and remain by their mother's side for at least their first year. Before they are weaned, by the time they are 8 months old, blue whale calves are known to consume up to 90 kilograms of milk every day. Blue whale diet and prey. The blue whale is a carnivorous animal that, despite the fact that it doesn't have proper teeth, survives on a diet that is mainly comprised of krill and small crustaceans, along with the occasional small fish. Blue whales feed by swimming up towards a shoal of prey, and thanks to the pleats on their neck which allows their throat to expand, take an enormous gulp of water into the sac created in their lower jaw and shut their mouths. The water is then expelled, but thousands of tiny creatures are retained by their fine baleen plates which are then swallowed. Blue whales are able to consume up to 6 tons of prey every day during the summer months, which they spend in the cold, rich waters around the poles. Although blue whales are known to eat a tremendous amount during the summer, when they migrate to the warmer waters for winter to breed, they will barely eat anything at all,